Gala is preparing for a massive rally, and in this video, we are going to be discussing exactly that. We are also going to be taking a look at some charts, and we are going to be analyzing Gala to see what really is happening with Gala as a token. With that being said, let's get back to the main video and the main topic, which is why do I think that Gala is preparing for a massive rally towards the upside. Now guys, we all know that Gala and all the other altcoins show similar movement to Bitcoin. So let's say if Bitcoin pumps up like 5%, low caps like Gala pump even higher and go up like 10 to 15%. This also happens in the reverse scenario as well. So let's say if Bitcoin dumps like 5%, low caps like Gala go even lower and go down to like about 10 to 15%. Guys, at this moment, Bitcoin is at a key resistance level of $25,000. Now guys, if it breaks above it, we will see an instant push towards the $29,000 or say $30,000 levels. Because guys, there is literally no volume between $25,000 and $28,000 levels. So guys, if we break out of about $25,000 level, we are gonna see an instant push towards the upside towards $29,000 to $30,000 levels. And that is gonna be a pretty insane push towards the upside, currently the price levels we are at. So guys, if this happens, we will see Gala rally just like we saw in January this year. So guys, I'm not really sure if you are following Gala for like a couple of months, but in January we had a massive pump towards the upside where Gala basically jumped from like $0.024 to almost at about $0.06, which is about a 3x move. So guys, we are planning to see a similar move with Gala in the coming months or say in the coming weeks as well. Also guys, things are looking pretty bullish for Gala in general, just because they recently announced a really huge partnership with Google, which is gonna be really huge for the project in general. So guys, with that being said, now let me show you what I think is going to be happening with Gala in the shorter periods of time. We're gonna be looking at some charts in order to analyze what I think is going to be happening with Gala in the coming few days or say in the coming few weeks. So guys, at this moment we are on TradingView and I'm using the 4-hourly chart, and I have drawn the Elliott wave count right over here. So guys, if you guys remember that when we were having this insane push towards the upside, and as I mentioned, we saw like a 300% or say 3x move towards the upside, you can see this was a similar move to that. And what happened was pretty significant, was that we saw this move towards the upside and then the 5 wave towards the upside were completed. So in the first wave we go up, in the second wave we go down, in the third wave we impulsively go up once again, in the fourth wave we come down, and the fifth wave we go once up again. So guys, I personally believe that we are currently in an Elliott wave 2 and we are moving towards the Elliott wave 3. So guys, all of this movement towards the upside, so guys, let's say movement from this point onwards to this point of about 300% was just a Elliott wave 1 for Gala. Because guys, this was at the time when Bitcoin was pumping as well. We pumped from like $16,000 to about $23,000, which was about a 30% move for Bitcoin, and we saw a 300% move with Gala. Now guys, from that moment onwards, we have been seeing Bitcoin consolidating and not being able to breach that $25,000 level. So guys, I personally think that that is the primary reason we have seen a bit of a fall with Gala games, and we dumped down to about 50% since we hit the recent all-time high of about $0.063. So guys, from that moment onwards, we have come down about 50%, which is pretty understandable for an altcoin since Bitcoin was consolidating as well. So guys, I personally believe that right now, if Bitcoin breaks the $25,000 level and we see an instant push towards the $30,000 levels, we are going to be seeing a similar movement with Gala as well, and we should be expecting a move towards the upside of about 300% or say about 250 to 300%. And if we do it using that, you will be able to see that we will come around the $0.1 mark, which is absolutely insane and something which we have been planning to hit with Gala, sometime, or a lot of people say that it's never going to be happening, but I truly believe that right now the point has come where it is, Gala is going to be making that move really, really soon. Of course guys, you guys can get in a long trade right now if you want to, but looking at the circumstances, I will be setting up my stop losses really, really low. So that way you do not get wiped up if we have an instant crash, which I think is highly unlikely. Also guys, in the longer time frames, you can see that the RSI is currently in the middle as well. So we are at a 55.4% RSI, which does not really shows us anything. We are not really in the top of the range, and we are not also even in the bottom of the range. We are somewhere in the middle, which is pretty understandable, and it is not really showing much significance. So guys, according to my analysis, I think that we are going to be seeing another wave towards the upside, and that is going to be the third wave, and in that we can be expected to go about at these levels. I think we should be seeing a level of about $0.1 to about $0.08. Those are going to be my targets for the wave 3. Only time will tell how markets move up, but I personally believe that this is a pretty logical and a target which is going to be going to hit in the coming months, or say in the coming weeks. After that guys, I truly believe that we're going to be seeing another wave 4 towards the downside, and after that we're going to see a move towards the upside once again, where Gala is going to be breaching some really good resistance level. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it, and that is my analysis on why I personally think that Gala is preparing for a massive move towards the upside in the coming days, or in the coming weeks, or say in the shorter period of time. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next one. Hope you all have an amazing day. Peace out.